Today, we'll be reviewing the May 2019 Sketchbox subscription box.
Welcome to Drawing with Julie Gray. Come on, Mama, open it, open it. What is it? What is it?
Okay, Miss Molly. Each month, the Sketchbox has chosen artwork on it by a featured artist. This month's art is by Alicia Sloan.
I'm so excited. Look at all of those arty goodies.
The first item that we pull from the box is the list of the items inside and description. The next item is a piece of word art by artist Mike Marino. Next, we have a 4-pack of Kuretake Zig brushables in blue shades, retail at $14.66. Then we have this Karen Brushmaker Pro in Skin No. 1 color, retail price $2.05. Then we have this Kohinoor Triograph 2B pencil, retail price $2.55. Then we have another Kuretake Zig item, Cartoonist Brush Pen in white, retail price $9. We have a Sketchbox signature item, Color Brush in green, retail price $7. Next, we have another Kuretake Zig item, number 24 brush pen in gray, retail price $8.
Yay, I love stickers.
So overall, this is a pretty nice premium box. I am very excited about it. I mean, let's take a look at all of these items, and obviously it is a lettering theme, hand lettering, but they really did well this time with the premium box. There is a lot of crafty goodness here.
Alright, Mama, let's get this started.
Okay, I'm going to go through and color swatch these items. I really love these Zig brush markers. Each one has a lighter shade on the other end, which makes them perfect for hand lettering. The pencil's nice and chunky. Tip on these brush pens here, the Kuretake and the Sketchbox, you need to make sure to open it up, unscrew the cap basically, take off that little yellow connector, and then put it back together and then snap it. Just slightly push the top against the bottom and it'll start the ink. I hadn't used these before, so unfortunately it took me a little bit to figure that out. You want to make sure you really get the ink flowing in those. So I'm just using a kitchen bowl in my Illo sketchbook to get a perfect circle, and then I slightly erased a little bit of it just so I had a really light outline. One of my favorite things to make with these brush pens is leaves or flower petals. So I'm going through here and putting in the leaves first. I think these have a neat watercolor type effect. And I use that gray brush pen to kind of make a little type of wire on the wreath. And then I go in and make some little gray leaf petals. I wanted to use the white brush pen just to see how it would react over a color. So I went in and put little lines on the green petals with it. Then I'm using that skin tone color brush marker to add some little petal flowers. And then I'm going back over with a couple different shades of blue in these brush markers.
That is so pretty, Mama.
Thank you, Molly. I don't do a lot of hand lettering. I guess normally it's not really my thing, but I went in and kind of sketched out an idea of how I wanted to do my lettering. I don't mind doing lettering digitally. I think I have more fun with it digitally because you can alter it so easily and play with it more. So I did the saying love plumes here. I tried kind of doing 3 different type of fonts with each word. Use that same brush marker and use the lighter shade on the other end to go in and make the little drop shadows on the letters. I think this turned out pretty. Could make some nice home decor with something like this. And I used quite a bit of these items this month on the project. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.